Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a couple of 2020 Hot Wheels. Got the Cruise Bruiser, both colors of the Cruise Bruiser. These were both, no. This one was at my Family Dollar a few months ago, and picked this one up a couple weeks ago at my local auto parts store. They sell diecast there, and I got one of those. And this one actually, the wheel's not spinning on that, so we can fix that, hopefully. Yeah. Cruise Bruiser. Pretty cool castings. I've always liked the Cruise Bruisers. Well, no, not always, actually. I got a 2017 version of it here, and I didn't really like it at first, but now that I got these cool colors, I'm starting to like it a little bit more just because of these colors. These are from Hot Wheels Art Cars for 2020, number 2 of 10. They're best for track. 66 of 250 on the year for both of them. The red one is on a USA card. It's from GHC 14 from the D-Case. Colorful art-inspired vehicles ready to paint the town. 2017 copyright on this one. And this one's on an international card, so GHF 53. This is a 2018 copyright. So the cars from 2019 to 2020 on international cards both had 2018 copyrights. Alright, you know the drill. We open up the older one first. Love that open. Oh man, absolutely beautiful open right there. Oh, looks like we're going 2 for 2 on these Cruise Bruisers. Awesome opens right here. Unbelievable. Love opening up the older Hot Wheels just because of that feature. Actually, we're going to take a good look at the red one first. These are the two 2020 Cruise Bruisers. Loving them both. They look awesome out of the packaging. And the wheels spin just like I expected them to. They spin like kind of like, I can't describe it, like tight kind of. Look at all those paint splatters. And let's give these ones a spin. So these ones spin independently too, just a little quieter, but this has a bent axle. You know what? I may or may not have just fixed it on my own. Mostly. Cool. Alright, so it's like kind of like snapping around in there. But it doesn't roll any different, so that's pretty cool. Alright. Sorry for talking too much. Let's get straight into looking at these up close. On this one, we've got, in the front, we got blue and white 5-spokes. In the back, we got yellow and black PR5s. Number 20 on the side. And we got paint splatters of black, blue, white, and yellow. Number 20 on the side there. Beautiful casting. That's super cool. Got our motor in there. Front of the casting. All the red and the tampos is die cast. Is that a pickaxe in there? And that like textured floor? That's cool. No windows, so you can see the inside, the roll cage and everything. What an awesome ride the Cruise Bruiser is. Base is plastic. And I think I do like this one better. It's very close though. And these are not errors. If you look on the packaging, you can see that the wheels are clearly different on the packaging. So these wheels were intended to be different on the front and the back. So I did not just open a couple errors. These paint splatters are green, orange, purple, and white, and the number 20 again. So it's like Halloween style. And this time we got unpainted wheels. They're not glow wheels. They're unpainted and black 5-spokes on the front. And black and orange MC5s in the back. This is almost like a Halloween style vehicle. It's a station wagon. These are station wagons. These are really cool. I really like these station wagons, these Cruise Bruisers here. Another plastic base. Give you a nice look at both of them. If I can hold them still enough for a nice thumbnail, I would very much like that. So YouTube, please make this a thumbnail. I'm just going to hold them right there. And I'm not going to budge. I'm just going to sit there and talk about them. But yeah, the Cruise Bruiser overall I think is a cool casting. I used to not like it just because it was a fantasy car. And I did think it was kind of ugly first because of that huge engine in the front. Now that I look at it, this is a cool rally car. I am liking this one a lot. Please subscribe to the channel for more. Oh, and there's a 2021 version of this in the Hubble Zombies 5-pack. But thanks for tuning into this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more. If YouTube doesn't give me this thumbnail, I'm going to flip out. And please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.